Sometimes we make some videos and we believe in ourselves that they are not YouTube worthy and we don't post them. This is one such video. So I am posting this one right now because I've made a few of them in 2025 that I didn't think was YouTube worthy and I did not post them, but I still have the content. So I just thought that I would just, you know, make some bloopers videos and see if you guys like it. If you think that I was wrong for not posting them and you think they are worthy enough, go ahead in the comment section. Tell me what you think about them. So this is going to be my bloopers #1 video. Some of them are incomplete. Some of them I didn't like how they look, They all tasted great, but we all want to show the perfect videos all the time. So I hope you enjoy watching these bloopers and please let me know your opinion. Thank you.